Look who's driving. Okay, go that way. There you go. Keep on going. You're doing it. Oh, go that way. There you go. Now we're going fast. Go that way. See, you're going this way. You gotta turn this way. There you go. Keep on turning. See? You're doing it, dude. Good job, bud.
We're turning.
Wow. Okay, now go that way. Turn the wheel this way. Because you don't want to hit the cars. Keep on turning it. Keep on going. Good job, dude. Okay, watch where you're going. Oh, you gotta go the other way now because you're gonna go towards that car, so you gotta go this way. There you go. See, you're doing it, dude. Wow, Levi. Driving Daddy's truck. Okay, now go this way. Go this way. Watch out for the car. Oh, you're going. Okay, now turn this way. There you go. Whoa, whoa, wobbly, wobbly. Everybody's driving the truck. Now turn this way. Turn. There you go. Turn. Keep on going. There you go. See? You're doing it. Oh, look where you're going. Okay, let's sit back up. There. Now you can see. Hold on. Okay. Ready? Go that way. This way. This way. See, because you don't want to hit the car, so you got to turn the steering wheel. Like this. See?
Yes. Oh, there's a car.
Look where you're going. Whoa. You are driving good, dude. I'm so proud of you. You can start driving me to work. Can you drive me to work? Huh?
I don't know where work is.
Well, we can find out. Whoa, good turn, bud. Should we go fast? All right, let's see. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah.